we are back making another video. We are playing Airplane 2. Yes, as you see here, it's Airplane 2. Of course, I'm with Beat Boy. And for today's big announcements, sorry that we did not upload a video for 2 days. And I don't know if I was going to say anything else, and if I was, and I remember in the middle of the video, then I'll probably say it. Okay. So, Beat Boy, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so... okay, you heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys.
I'm gonna ignore everything they say, so they're speaking gibberish.
Sure, Beat Boy can do that. I'm just gonna read. We don't understand how the captain lost control at that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and there is a reason why we're here. That is okay. Enough chatting. Whoa. Beat Boy is crazy. Please find the seat that has a golden label with your. It's gold. This is gold. Looks more like green.
I'm a translator.
Looks really green. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Flying around.
Woo! Okay.
Go around.
Okay. Did we just do a barrel roll? Yes, we did.
Let me translate that. Big.
This is how you know that Beat Boy is officially crazy. Okay. Yep, this is Beat Boy's seat. Okay, now I'm gonna get back in my seat. What's gonna happen? President Agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Where? Oh, here? Back here? No. Oh, up there. Okay.
Okay.
Service room. Mm-hmm. Did anyone else see that? See what? Okay, there's some shampoo, I guess. Some brooms, a sink, a bucket. Not.
No. Chocolate pudding.
What does not mean?
I want a chocolate pudding. Okay, I'm just going to stand here because I already know what's going to happen.
Oh, yeah, okay, sure.
We've played a little bit of this before.
Follow me to the next room. I'll give you some instructions.
We're probably going to die, you guys. I'm just telling you that. Yeah.
Crew only. Oh, come on. Trust. How do I get this?
He will meet you.
Oh, okay, got it.
You can take the waddy.
Ew, workroom. I want to do me some working. Oh, he. Do not he? What? This does not make sense. It said not. Okay, I already forgot. He. Okay, I got he. Workroom. Okay. Ooh, some water. That's all. Yeah, I'm not thirsty. I'll look for some more notes. How come someone's like all the way back here? Oh, wait, that's you. Pfft.
Oh, yeah. They're going to grab it. I totally bet.
Okay, sure. Mister, he looks like a detective. Why does he look so serious? Oh, wait, what happened? Oh my gosh. Water! Wait. I think we go to the brooms. Yeah, the brooms. The broomy. As the broom. Come on! Why can I not get to the broom?
Cleaning it. Get it.
Come on! Okay, you're at the broom.
He has a broom.
We got the broom!
Get the broom.
We got the broom!
Don't slip and die.
Okay.
I'm going to slip.
What do we do with water bottles, though. The glass. What do we do with the glass? No, what about the bottles? It's not clean. It's still dirty, kind of. It's ready now.
You got it, dude.
Okay, come on. Open the door. Now.
Open the door. I want to open the door.
We saved the plane last time. We were about to crash it, but... Ooh, okay. Yep. Ooh, the president. Hello, president. I'm gonna sit right here. Can we sit?
Can we sit?
I think we have to, like... Ronald? Build that brick wall. What brick wall? Oh, a brick wall here, so you can't get out? Okay.
Good, dude.
I'm sorry. It's just the habit.
Yes, you are sorry.
Yeah, because you're a bad person. I'm just kidding. He the president. If I said that, he would...
Welcome to my airplane.
Okay, Ronald.
Ronald McDonald.
Oh, do you work for McDonald's? Not sponsored. Are you the clown? He might be the clown.
Ronald the clown.
Ronald McDonald clown.
We have a delicious meal prepared, and someone, like either me or any of us, is going to be cooking it. I'm going to hate it.
Hopefully I don't cook. I really don't want to cook. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. What? I believe the chef messed up. Because he's a bad chef. Wait.
Throw that chef off this plane.
Oh, wow. Okay. He's mean. Wait, why can't we not get out?
Mr. President.
Wait, who's gonna... Oh, no, who's gonna do it? Please not me.
Definitely.
Yay! We don't do it! Yay!
Yay!
Yeah, I'm not a good chef.
The noob does it.
Okay, stop calling people noobs. Or else I'm Mr. President is mean. Ronald McDonald's mean. I don't think you should be dancing on the table like that. Oh yeah, we gotta watch you cook. Come on, cook.
I hope to see you fail.
What? Okay, yeah, B-Boy's mean. Party? What party? Okay, come on. Come on, you can do this. This seems easy enough, I think.
Wow. It doesn't look like you're doing a single thing.
Yeah, because he didn't say what to put in yet.
Oh my god.
The soup needs banana. Girl, get the banana. Girl, what you doing?
No.
Girl, what you...
Banana.
Okay.
Banana. Okay?
Put it in the soup, girl. Girl, what you doing? Put it in the soup.
God.
Girl, put it in the soup. Girl, do you really want to get off the ship? Okay, the soup needs tomato.
You got tomato.
Get the
Tomato.
tomato. It's right there next to the banana. It's next to the banana. Where's she going? Oh, wait. Oh, that was an apple. Okay. Put it in the pot. No.
Tomato.
Put it in. Okay.
Yeah, you got the tomato.
The soup needs chicken. Where's
I
it?
need a chicken.
Where's the chicken?
Chicken.
What is that? Is that the
Not to
chicken?
do anything.
That drumstick? Put it in the soup, girl. What are you doing?
Chicken. Take the chicken. You're gonna die.
Oh my.
Yeah, you died.
Cooking takes time, Mr. Ronalds.
Him? That's not him. That's a he. She.
Mr. Ronald. Ah!
Yay! Jumping on the body.
Oh. What? Yay. Yay.
I'm gonna dance.
Can I sit here? No? Okay.
Can I do it? Can I do it? No, I want to.
Sit down, or else you're gonna die.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, she died. Oh no.
Well,
Did she really not know? Enjoy. Wait, why do you die if you don't sit down? I don't get it. Mr. Ronald, something's wrong with the plane. Okay. I don't know if this really looks good. Okay, we're eating it anyways. Okay, what's gonna happen? Come on. Oh yeah, and sorry if this video is long. Okay.
We enjoy this too. Okay.
Come on, I want to get out. I want to go back to my seats. But why did the president leave? Why couldn't he just
the computer room?
the commuter room? The commuter room. Wait, how'd you get here? What? Okay. Okay, I want to go on me some computer.
Let's play some games. Hot dog.
Maybe some Minecraft or maybe some Roblox. Maybe we could just play some Airplane 2 in Airplane 2. Come on, I just want to play. I want to play. Let me access the computer. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure. So you don't know. Wait, does he not know the code? Good luck, hackers. Okay.
Didn't you get it last time?
I'm trying to get blue, all blue. Are you doing anything? Don't do anything on the computers.
This one is weird.
Get all white, all white, all white. You do all white on that side. Okay.
Yay!
Yay!
We did it! Yay! We did it!
Why are there keys behind here? I just want to go here. The pilot's room! We should go to the pilot's room. Something's bad, I think. Mr. Ronald!
Ronald McDonald! Come here, jump on you.
I think you'll get arrested. Hello again. Sorry, I had to leave early. Why though? I had to, get everything ready. For what? Yeah, anyways. As our very special guest, I will let you sleep in my president's bedroom. But where does he sleep? Oh, okay. The keys are here. The keys are here.
Type the key. Oh. You found the key. Great! You found the key!
Yay! Now open the door. Him.
So I'm just gonna look out this window. It's like the best idea.
But what about you, presidents? This is your room. Where is he gonna sleep? I guess on the floor.
Him. What? Him. Oh. There's a bunch of pages that says him. I bet.
No, there's a lot that says like not he. I got 4 pages already.
I only got 1.
I know I got that one already. Okay, can we like watch some TV or something?
A pillow party.
Party! Okay, no, it's getting dark. Sleeping, catching some Z's while is the TV on? It's green. Nighttime already.
Look, you see the clouds out here.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
wait. I don't know if those are clouds. I can't sleep. Yeah, sometimes I don't think there's something about the flights that scares you, but sometimes like I get really uncomfortable and I can't sleep at night. Guys, the curtain.
I'm just gonna look right here right now.
Is that Ronald? Is that Ronald? Ronald McDonald?
Hey, Rod.
Oh, okay. It is
Hey, Rodney.
it's our friend from Airplane 1. Hey, wait, is Ronald McDonald him, the monster? Ronald McDonald could be the monster.
monster.
Did you
Yeah.
forget
Yeah,
me
actually
so
kinda
early? Oh my gosh, that scared me. Get out! Get Z out!
Get me out of here. Oh, hot dog. Okay. When you're saying is, I want a hot dog, I want a hot dog, hot dog, hot dog.
Why are you talking about hot dogs?
Yeah, hot dog.
But why does he need to do fire?
Hot dogs.
Can we go back here? Oh yes, we can. We can.
Storage.
Ooh, there's another note. 5. Okay.
Get on the shelves.
Okay, on the shelves.
We need to run.
Yeah, there's only us, so because everyone died. That girl didn't sit down, so she died, and the chef died.
Why are you taking so long? We're so far away.
Are we that fast or something? Are we safe now?
No. You have to be careful.
The floor! The floor is lava! It's like the game, floor is lava. How high is the lava gonna go? How high is the lava gonna go? Oh, okay, good. I don't think it got that far.
Wouldn't that burn the ship though? I mean,
The ship.
The plane.
Yeah, the ship is on the sky. Yeah, okay. The fire's gone. What is happening? What's happening? I don't know if it's safe to go down. Like, what if the lava just comes up when we go down? Guys, the phone is ringing. What phone? Oh, that phone. I don't know if I want to go down. It's safe? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, hello? Who's there? Knock, knock. Who's there? Hey, guys.
I'm glad to pick you up.
Wait, what was she doing the whole time? Wait, is the pilot the monster? Something terrible. You don't say. A friend from Airplane One came. I can't tell you much. Through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot's cabin. Really? Are you sure? Can't you just unlock it? Yeah, okay, be quick. Go closer while I do that. Okay. But be careful. Is the monster still here? I'm scared. I'm actually scared now. Okay, guys. Now, let's do this. Beeple, are you scared? Wait. Oh, yeah, we're going here. Oh, my gosh. B-boy?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, don't catch me.
Yeah, I actually don't know where he is, but I'm not looking back. Oh, okay, I see him. He is right there. He is right there. He is right there.
Running.
I am definitely not scared right now because, like, who would be scared? Keely, open the door now! Ah! Keely, come on! What are you doing? Pilots! A pilota! The pilots! The pilot! Open the door! The pilot, come on! Ah!
Oh no.
The pilot, what are you doing?
I knew this was gonna happen.
Come on! Keely, what you doing? B-boy, come back in! Come back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Door is open! Come on, come on, come on! I'm trying!
Can I get it?
Keely, come on! Okay.
Oh, Dave, yeah.
Sorry if my voice was very loud. Or if also B-boy's voice was loud, but I don't know if it was. Okay.
What's going on?
What's going on? I don't like it here. Did he follow us here? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there's another note. Why can I not get it? Okay, got it. Okay, it made you come here again. I knew there was something wrong here.
I knew there was something wrong here.
Yeah, how, Miss Beepy Girl?
Yeah, how?
The good news is,
You know,
I'm
you have
just
to
a
tell me
pilot.
how.
I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. What?
Yeah.
So you just tell this to us now? He once used to be human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes. In a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes. What? So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack that day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys. Why, though? Because he blames you for his death. Okay.
But why?
Yeah, but why? Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president. I'm not sure yet. Wait, what if she is the monster? Take this gun. But what if she's the monster and because like what if he is the only one that knows his backstory and she's the monster? And actually, no, she was unlocking the door when the monster was chasing us. Never mind. Okay, you have only one chance. Okay, who's taking the shot? I'm not. Beeper can do it.
No.
I don't know who's gonna do it. Who's doing it? I don't know. Who's taking the shot? Kelly? Keely, I mean? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Come on, Keely. Oh. I don't know. Who's gonna take it? Are you gonna take it or am I gonna take it?
You take it.
Me?
Okay.
Okay, I will do it. Alright. Good luck, guys. I'm scared. Who do I shoot? Who am I gonna shoot? Okay. There you are. We've been looking for you. Okay. It's over. We've discovered you monster. Wait. Put that gun down. What are you doing? And B-boy, what are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. Okay, the agent seems really suspicious. I don't trust you. I shoot agent. 'Cause agent's weird. I don't trust you! Oh my gosh. Okay, please say I did the right decision. The agent seems suspicious. Yay! Wait, but isn't he a ghost? Ah! What is that? But isn't he a ghost?
Yes.
How do I shoot a ghost? Or is that a ghost? I don't know. But yay, I did the right one! The agent seemed really suspicious about you made a huge mistake. We are not monsters. I tried to take advantage of this chip to kill us. It tried. Okay. That is crazy!
That's crazy. Wait.
Thanks for saving me life. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. Wait, what if I shot the president though? What would happen then? That was so scary. Let's go home. Where's this trip even taking us anyways? At least it's finally gone now. Yeah, I don't think it's gone. I think it's still alive. Finally! Gone!
Yeah, just what?
Oh, that's the end for Airplane 2? A victory!
Victory!
There might be other endings. Like the don't shoot. Like there was an option for not choose to shoot, or like to shoot Ronald. I mean, Ronald McDonald. I couldn't shoot Ronald McDonald. You monster. You monster. Okay, well, that's gonna be the end for today's video. If you like today's video, you can like and subscribe, and we also made our first video on Beepo Plush, so it'll be in the description to our to Beepo Plush. So be sure to check them out, and I guess we'll see you guys next time. Bye, YouTube!